Yo, first order of the day. Got a Black Rock coffee, $7 going 4.5 miles.
There you go. Have a good one.
Thank you too. Got this right away. This is a Subway going 6.5 miles. I got this order while I was waiting for them to bag this up. This one is right across the street. If it wasn't raining, I'd walk over there, but meh. I got a Starbucks going less than a mile. Thank you.
You also have a great day.
You too. Total for those two was $22. Oh wow, I was not expecting that. I didn't think that Starbucks was gonna have a tip on it because the mileage was so low, but they both tipped pretty well actually. Thank you, thank you. And just got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles. Total for that one was $8 and change. Next order up is a Starbucks going just under 4 miles. No tip on that one, cringe. Total for that was $6 and got this right away. This is Red Leaf coffee going, I think it said 6.5 miles. Just parked at the restaurant and they gave me an add-on. This is on the way to the other one, so not really adding much mileage, maybe half a mile if that. Total for those two was $15 and got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 3 miles, 3 items. Been a little while since that last order, but finally got something. This is a Burger King, $10 going 6 miles.
Thank you for choosing Burger King where you rule. What can I get for you? There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Oh,
There
sorry
you
about that. Thank you.
Have a good day. Haven't had an order for like 20 minutes, and the first thing that comes into my phone, Wendy's. This one is going 4.5 miles. Oh boy, I see 3 cars in line right now.
Hey there, I can take your order whenever you're ready. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yep.
Well, that took forever, and that's a whole paragraph. Oh my goodness. And you're messaging me. What do you want? I paid for sauce. Make sure to pick it up. Anyways. Oh, and in case you were wondering, I've gotten 3 different orders since I've picked this one up that have been at least $3 a mile that I can't take. That's just lovely. I love it. Wow, what a waste of time. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. That is so cringe. And just got this next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going 2.5 miles.
And there you are.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too.
Zero. None of the reasons? No, zero. I have, I don't like the name of the state. themselves and advocate for themselves and you can reason with them. Not like, no, you can't because they don't. That's good.
There you are.
Have a great day.
You too. Next up is a Taco Bell, $8 going 5.5 miles. It has gone back to being slow again, so I think I'll just call it here. Current time is 9:33. Total ended up with 103. Pretty decent day, I'd say. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.